What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. You already know what time it is, guys. You already know, guys. Welcome. Happy 2023. You already know, first video of the new year. You already know. I know you guys missed me. I missed y'all. I know y'all been waiting for the videos to start dropping again. You don't know your boy is back. You don't know we're taking over 2023 and beyond. You already know what time it is. Yeah, man, people, we're not even gonna hold up the vibes much longer. Y'all know what y'all here for. Y'all see from the title what we're talking about today. We're talking about a young dancehall artist that's been burning up the place, social media, music, the internet, you know, everywhere, papers, magazine. Yeah, a dancehall artist that's been dominating the charts, that's been burning up the whole social media. That's on in everywhere you see him, everywhere. People using his talk, dance, father. Rich a lie, normal a lie. You don't know? You know, I wish artists we are talking about already. Do I even have to say it? We'll see from the title we are talking about none other than Don't Check himself, Valiant. Yeah, man, people. We're talking about none other than one of the Atlanta's newest artists, newest acts, Valiant. Yeah, man, apparently the artists guys are dominating the charts and just been burning up the online, you know what I'm saying, streams and stuff, cause according to Dancehall Mag, you don't know that according to Dancehall Mag, no more birthdays for Valiant. Artist dominates January with 9 songs in the top 10. Come on, man. Hear that, people? Clap him. 9 songs in the top 10, people. Come on, man. That's a good look. Big up Dancehall Magazine. They're like the world star hip hop of dancehall, you know what I'm saying, of Jamaica, and they cover dancehall music and all Caribbean culture. So big up Dancehall Mag, people definitely check them out and support them. Let's show them some love so they can keep on growing. Yeah, man, Dancehall Mag, we rate them. Yeah, man, guys, when you hear from the title, Valiant dominate January with 9 songs in the top 10, man. Yeah, man, out bombard do them. I'm telling you, man, science pan them. Yeah, man, Valiant is a good look. Let's see what the article has say. It said January 2023 is ending on a high for dancehall's new favorite Valiant, who has a total of 9 out of 10 songs on YouTube's music charts for Jamaica. The Speed Off DJ also finishes in the top position of most streamed artists from the month. You hear that, people? Most streamed artists of the month as well. He would have had a clean sweep over Craft's Calm C took the 5th position. Craft, big up yourself, star. Craft is another dope artist that's been put in the work. You see me? Artists that I've been meaning to feature on the channel, but we're gonna check them out pretty soon. But yeah, man, Craft, big up yourself. The top 10 songs in January were ranked as follows. Valiant and Stark Ashley, Narcissistic. Valiant, Don't Check. That's what's up. Valiant, Speed Off. Number 4, Valiant, Cal or Kota Lassis. Number 5, Craft, Calm C. Number 6, Valiant, North Carolina. Number 7, Glock 40. Glock 40 at number 7, Glock 40 fairly new. Bombard. Valiant, St. Mary at number 8. Valiant Barbies at number 9 and Valiant Science at number 10. And people, good look for the artist, people. No joke. 9 songs in the top 10. Big up Craft as well with Calm C, number 5. And there's 1 song in the top 10 better than no song in the top 10. Not only that, you're in the top 5 as well, Craft. So let's say I work. Yeah, man. According to YouTube, Valiant picked up 11.6 million views in January. That's what's up. From Jamaican viewers on the platform, outshining other artists like Chronic Law, who was second with 10.6 million views, Craft with 5.76 million views, Skeng with 4 million views, and Vibes Cartel with 4.2 million views. That's crazy. That's what's up. Yeah, man, 11.6 million views. That's dope, Valiant. Keep up a good look. What I like about these new artists, I love Vibes Cartel are one of the OGs, one of my favorite artists of all time. I like how the new artists them are actually doing, they're putting in their work, they're actually showing outshining Cartel. That's crazy, man. You know, they're putting in their work. So all the people are saying the new music now work, the trap dance now work right here. You know, the numbers are telling us different. You see me? May have to give some time to grow and the rest of the world gravitate upon it, but you can definitely just see there's something there. Yeah, man. Valiant was also number 1 in Guyana, Grenada, Antigua and Barbuda and St. Vincent. Ooh. Yeah, man, clap him on, man. The man I do work, put in work, not only for dancehall and Jamaica, but also for the culture as well. Come on, man, that's what's up. Number 2 in St. Kitts, number 4 in Belize and St. Lucia, number 6 in Barbados, number 7 in Dominica, and number 8 in Trinidad and Tobago. For the month of January, that's what's up, Valiant. Good look. You know, some artists, I get this big of a buzz since Cartel days. Cartel and my father days. Their buzz was different. Valiant's fresh wave of success coincidentally ties in with the theme the DJ explores in his latest offering, Brought Days. The official visuals dropped on January 29th and is already close to 300,000 views. Valiant is sending a clear message to the haters and naysayers that there's no way he's dropping the ball. Yeah, man, Valiant put in the word. Brought Days, guys, we're gonna definitely do a reaction to that, so check it out. There's a reaction coming up too soon. You should have buy me, I mean, I'm Brought Days. Mumio's upstairs. Me know say she not complain. I'm glad I'm a driver. I'm still a survivor. A whole heap of fight when you arise, but prayers are fight back. Yes. He sings in his reflective tone. The entertainer keeps it simple in the video. Most scenes sees him sitting by himself by the seashore or among friends having a drink. In one scene, he is seen toying around with several wads of cash inside a duffel bag. On the downside, the video also shows someone spying on his every move. By now, Valiant, whose given name is Ryan Bowes, should be warmed up to wide popularity. Back in December, he occupied the top 5 spots out of 10 on the YouTube charts in Jamaica. 5 out of 10 in January, come from 9 out of 10. That's what's up, man. Progress now. The feat earned him attention of the iconic fashion magazine Vogue, which named Valiant as one of the 9 international musicians set to take over 2023. Come on, Vogue, man. I said featured, he says Valiant is one of 9 international artists, international musician. He never said dancehall, no musician. That's crazy. The 24-year-old pointed out in an interview late last year that it was his intent to capitalize on the attention he got on social media, even before he was widely known as an artist. It may not be far-fetched to believe that this Valiant wave sweeping across dancehall was also part of his plan as he aims to conquer Jamaica and the Caribbean and make a transition to international scenes. Yeah, man, dog. Yeah, man. Hey, you hear what I say? This could look like part of Valiant plan. If him plan this, boy, a genius you. But just think of the energy and people gravitate to him still. But you don't know, you never know. He has also caught the attention of international acts like Rick Ross, who was infatuated with his Rich Ally song, as well as Offset, whom he met personally on Rapper's visit to Jamaica in early December. Yeah, man, you see Rick Ross, man, IG. Rich Ally, no lie. Yeah, man, big up yourself, Rick Ross. Yeah, man, Valentine, do your thing, man. Because people have to say, not only artists have to have music, but they gotta also be trendsetters. They must have swag, they must have style, things that people wanna do and imitate. You know what I'm saying? Do your thing, Valentine. He was also hailed as the star at the return of Sting on Boxing Day after treating a handful of fans for a mini concert atop a motor vehicle in the parking lot following a premature ending of the show. The singer recently enjoyed some downtime in Guyana following his performance in the country over the weekend. See the Mohammed photos. Yeah, man. Valiant in Guyana, how you mean, G? Big up Mohammed for the video, for the pictures. You know what I'm saying? Valiant, you mean, G? Rich alive? Alive? Yeah, man. Father! Do you think, G? Bombard them. Gotta clean her out, man. Yeah, man, get the youth for rise. Get the youth to rise and have things. You mean, man? Big up yourself, man. Valiant. Yeah, man, well talented. Easy, well talented artist people. Definitely go check him out. Check out his IG, follow him, show us all of our support. Check out him YouTube, listen to music, stream him. And as well as other artists, just show love and support to the culture. And big up Dancehall Mag for the article, well put together, well written article. I think this was by Danny Malik. Big up yourself, Miss Malik. credit to her. I think she is the author of this article. Well put together, well informative. Dancehall mag, big up yourself. You put in the work for the culture, for Jamaica, dancehall, the whole Caribbean. I love that. Big them up, guys. Follow them. They like the World Star Pop Up dancehall. I think they're gonna even get better and even bigger. So just show them some love and support. They definitely come in. We love seeing this. We love seeing this dancehall mag. Let me know if any other websites or magazines like this, because dancehall mag is definitely. But yeah, man, people, Valiant have put in the work. I would love to see it. All what talk about the new chap dancehall now work and all about this mumbling now that this and that. Clearly, it's working. Valiant have put in the work. The streams is dominating. The numbers are showing. He's in house. Chronicler, which took the throne from Vybz Kartel for most streamed artists from December, just got dethroned by Valiant in January. So if he keeps his pace, he's gonna have the most streamed artist for the new year, and he's a new artist. So to say the new music now work, yeah, I can't really say that. Numbers are showing. We probably have to just give some time to grow and people for it to adjust and gravitate toward it. But it's there, man. It's a come, man. Valiant are putting in work. You see me? People probably never expect this from him. Probably I'd say, yo, Skillibeng not even on the charts, and Skillibeng putting in his work. Skillibeng all over the place touring. He's over here. People know overseas. People know Skillibeng. You know, and Valiant there are doing thing. Big up himself. You see me, get to youth rise. You see me, all dancehall artists big up the whole culture and the music. You see me, that all is positivity. Yeah, man, people. So like as always, people, please let me know what you think in the comment section. You see me, what do you think about this? What do you think about Valiant? What do you think about the state of dancehall, Caribbean, the whole wide entertainment as a whole? What are your thoughts on this? What do you think about Valiant dominating the top 10 with 9 songs? What you think about Craft also making it in the top 10 with this Calm Sea at number 5? Let me know which one of Valiant song on the top 10 is your favorite. Let me know which one of the songs on the top 10 is your favorite. And let me know what you think about Craft song number 5. What you think about that? Let me know what your state of mind, and let me know what you want me to react to next and what you want me to bring your attention to. You don't know, guys. I don't know. Real dope stuff. It's a good look for dancehall. Good look for the new year. Love where it's going. You don't know. It's your boy Jambisco. Gonna come back, be back at it with more videos like this, and more informative videos coming, more consistent. You already know. Keep your eyes locked. Hit that subscribe and like button. You don't know. It's your boy Jambisco. Till next time. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.